What if the real reason your hair refuses to grow isn't genetics, isn't product, but a simple step you skip right before shampooing? A step so simple yet so powerful that skipping it causes invisible breakage, tangles, and lost inches every single time water touches your hair. Today, you're going to discover that step, and once you start doing it, wash days will stop being a battle and finally become a growth day. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So in today's video, I'm showing you this simple step that you must never skip before you wash your hair. When you jump straight into the shower with dry tangled hair, you invite breakage, pain, shedding, and unnecessary hair loss. So that's why taking just few minutes to prepare your hair first makes wash day easier, smoother, and helps you to finally retain the length you've been growing. So this step is so important because it's going to protect your strands from breakage and set your hair up for healthy growth. And after trying out this step, I promise you would never ever wash your hair again without doing this first. So this you see right here, which is our first ingredient, is called okra. This okra, there are lots of testimony from different people on how it has saved their hair, and yours is not going to be an exception. To prepare this okra is very simple. Just make sure you wash your okra seeds properly to keep them out from dirt. Then we go ahead and cut them into these tiny chunks. You can use as many okra seeds as you want, maybe from 5, 10 to 15 seeds. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add some water into this. There is no amount actually, just add enough water to cover it up, and you're going to allow it to boil on low heat for about 10 minutes. You're going to be stirring this, and you will notice that the liquid is turning thick and slippery. Then you're going to bring it down and allow it to cool. So while waiting for this to cool, because we need it to cool down properly, like very cool, we'll go ahead and strain our second ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. You can use whatsoever method that works for you to prepare your aloe vera gel. The method I used was just scooping out my aloe vera gel, my fresh aloe vera gel, then I added a little water and allow it sit for about 30 minutes, and here I am straining it. So feel free to use whatsoever method that you normally use to strain your aloe vera gel, or you can as well use a store-bought aloe vera gel if you don't have the fresh one. So here our okra is completely cooled. We'll just go ahead and strain this into a clean bowl or a clean jar. So just in case you're yet to like this video, please take a moment and give this video a thumbs up, okay? And if you're new here, you're definitely in the right place for natural hair growth remedies that truly work. On this page, we focus on growing long, strong, healthy hair using herbs from nature. So if that's something you love to, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Now that I'm done straining, I'll just be adding in the aloe vera gel that we prepared earlier. I'll add it into this mixture. This will help boost the hydration of this mixture. And after that, I'm giving this a very thorough mix just to make sure everything mixed properly. So if you want to be a little bit extra, you can go ahead and add in some few drops of essential oils into this mixture, okay? Now I'll go ahead and transfer this into my applicator bottle. You want to be careful because this can spill as fast as. You can see how I got everywhere messed up right now. But if you don't have an applicator bottle, you can just go ahead and use this straight away using your hands. So if on every wash day you get to always lose a whole bunch of hair, your hair breaks off easily during wash days, or maybe you have a natural kinky or a coily hair, or your hair always feels so dry, or maybe you have a high porosity strands, or probably your hair knots easily, or you just doesn't seem to retain length. If detangling always stressed you out, if your detangling is very stressful, this gel right here is about to change everything. And if you're wondering how to use this, do not worry, just sit back and relax, because I'm going to show you exactly how to use this properly and effectively. So guys, you can see how dry and tangled my hair is looking. Just imagine me just entering the shower this way to wash my hair. It's going to do my hair a serious damage. Most of the damage we see in our hair doesn't happen during styling, it happens during wash days. So basically, when water hits dry tight coils, the knot shrinks, friction increases, and strands can snap off very easily. And that's why preparing your hair first is so important, because it will help soften your strands, give them sleep, and loosen those tangles before water touches your hair. That way you're reducing breakage, you're protecting your ends, and you're going to keep more of the length that you've worked so hard to grow. So before we start applying, it's so important to start by sectioning your hair. Yes, sectioning your hair will make the whole work a lot easier. Working in section is always best when you want to apply a product to your hair. So now I'll be using just this particular section to show you guys how to properly use this, okay? First, you're going to start off on a dry hair, and you're going to be applying this gel generously, starting from the roots of your hair to the tips. Make sure all your strands in that particular section is well coated. I would also like to remind you, please and please, after loosening your hair, please do not comb, do not go in with a comb. Make sure the first thing you'll be doing is this. Using this gel first is going to help to soften your build up, your tangle roots, your tangled strands, and make it easier for the comb to pass through. But going in with a comb immediately is definitely going to break your hair and do you more harm than good. So after making sure all your strands are coated with this gel, first you're going to use your finger to detangle your hair before going in with a comb. Use your fingers to walk through your hair before going in with a comb, a wide tooth comb, in order to get rid of all the shedded hair. Remember, shedding hair is normal. In fact, as humans, we shed about 50 to 100 strands of hair on daily basis. While using this comb, remember to always start combing from the tip of your hair, then you work your way all through to the root. So when you fail to get rid of all those shedded hair, they can actually tangle your hair and cause you breakage. Okay guys, just for a minute, did you see how the comb was sliding down through my hair strands? Yes, that's the power of the slip in this okra. It makes detangling so easy without any difficulty. Now, after working on each section, you're going to twist or braid them back just to keep them stretched and detangled while you work on other sections. So guys, you can see how this hair is bouncing. Like, the hair looks so much alive now, unlike when I've not applied this gel to my hair. And yes, I forgot to tell you that this gel helps bring back the elasticity of your hair. You can see how my hair is all bounced up. Did you see that? My hair is looking so much alive. It's looking well hydrated, and most importantly, it is free from tangles. So I'm going to allow this sit on my hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and that is so my hair can absorb all the goodness of this gel. And after that, I'll be washing this or fusing a moisturizing shampoo and a conditioner, or you can go in with your deep conditioner immediately after you shampoo. So basically it's been 2 months since I last detangled my hair because I've been washing my hair on braids, and this is the total amount of shedded hair that I had after detangling. You can see how long it is. It's almost the same length with my hair. That shows that it's pulled from my roots and didn't cut from my so end. That's how you basically tell the difference between a shedded hair and a broken hair. So guys, this was my hair after I washed it out, and my hair really looked healthy and bouncy, as you can see. So before your next wash day, just take a few minutes to prepare your hair first, and your strands will stay on your head and not in the drain, and you will finally see results in the length of your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe for more simple powerful hair care tips. And also don't forget to drop a comment because I would like to hear from you. Until my next video guys, bye.